come on a quiet night, just so I can actually walk through and show you what it's like. If you come here on a Friday or a Saturday, you're going to queue up for about 2 hours if you come at peak time. But if you come here in the midweek, you're not going to queue. If you come here late, you might not queue. If you come here early, you might not queue. But this is what it's like. Give you some perspective. Men's toilet. Men's toilet. Do you want to go in there? This is as far as it goes, but I'm going to go upstairs to check out the rest. Access tonight. Normally that's open during the summer, but not today. Earlier in the day, this is actually quite a nice wine bar. You wouldn't believe it, but they actually have quite good wine here. Honestly, you wouldn't believe it. Also, be very careful with your wallet. I was sat at this table once, and a guy came up because well, actually not my wallet, my phone. The guy came up because my phone was on the table, tried to distract me, tried to nick my phone. Fortunately, I grabbed it before he took it. Has a Berlin feel to it. Yeah, a unique city. You can compare it to Berlin, but it's not like Berlin. If you come here during the week, there's normally a DJ playing over here. During the weekend, I mean. Access tonight again. Honestly, if you come here at the weekend, everything's open. Gives you perspective. Give you perspective on time. It's about 2 o'clock in the morning right now. Guys. It's closed. Oh, yeah, alright. See, it's late, so it's closed. Basically, that is it. That is the tour I gave you. Don't come at 2 o'clock in the morning on a Wednesday. A lot of the rooms will be closed. However, you do come here, this is what you would expect. However, if it's a weekend, it will be incredibly busy. So that's the difference. Weekend, I would be pushing past people on the stairs right now. People would be getting very angry that I'm filming. Thank God they're not right now. So anyway, I'm gonna go have a drink. Thank you.